So I have a vintage King Caravan from 1953. We originally think it's from Adelaide, and then it spent about 30 years in a shed. I spent the last 6 months with my dad restoring it, and then we made it to have a coffee machine inside to sell my cupcakes at beautiful Point Perrin. We're really lucky here to be at Point Perrin. We have this beautiful location with bushland behind us and the beach in front of us. You can go for a walk all the way around, or you can go for a swim, and then when you come back out, you can have a coffee and a cupcake. The lesson we learnt from lockdown was restore. So we'd only just started our business before COVID hit. We really wanted to keep our business alive during that time. So we wanted to restore normality to the local community. We wanted to bring some happiness with cupcakes and coffee. So we kept on trading and we kept up with new flavors all the time. We've had lots of different flavors available with over 5 or 8 on weekends. And one of the biggest ones we had was caramel slice. It was a mega cupcake, which was super popular. And yeah, it just brought people out and about, which was really nice. Point Perrin is only 45 minutes from Perth. Come on a nice coastal drive through Rockingham, and then you can come pick up a cupcake and a coffee at the end as well.